What's up? I just want to say that if I sound a bit off, it's because I'm still recovering from an illness. And also just want to say that these Krita note series are basically notes to myself, but I hope it helps you as well. Okay, hopefully this is the final take. The first time I forgot to unmute my mic, and the second time I had a cough. Let me just double check. Yeah. Okay, so in Krita you have a mirroring tool, which allows you to draw on one side of the panel of the canvas, and then it'll copy and flip on the other side of the canvas. You can stack these mirroring tools on top of each other, so now you got mirroring on four ways. The can be handy if you want to draw some sort of geometrical art. But the problem with this is that you can't rotate the guidelines. There isn't an option. You can move it, you can adjust the offsets and the axis of the guidelines, but you can't rotate them. That is not to say that Krita hasn't got that ability. It does, it's just located in a different tool. What you want to go to is the Multibrush tool, or press the Q button. And I should add that I am on Krita 5.3. By default, the tool is set to symmetry. You're gonna need to have the tool options. To access the tool options, go into your settings, dockers, and then tool options. It works similar. The default options set to symmetry. It works similar to when you have the two mirroring guidelines. Again, it's useful if you want to do some geometrical art, or if you have, well, if you plan on doing some kind of filigree designs. But that's not what we're after right now. You can also turn on origins. It'll show you the guidelines. But what I want to do is go into mirror. When you do that, the guidelines are gone. What you need to do afterwards is choose one of these options, vertical or horizontal. It doesn't really matter, because now we can then rotate the angle of this guideline, and you can input a value for more finer control, and and as a result you got the mirroring on at an angle. I saw a video of someone who was using Clip Studio, and they were drawing a character which was in a sort of Dutch angle. It's not something I tend to draw a lot of, but I figured that a similar functionality might be present in Krita, and I just want to make a note. So do a quick. But yeah, that's basically it. And then you can then just disable this by unchecking the vertical, and then just draw the rest of it. So again, if you wanted a specific angle and would like some mirroring, that's how it's done. And there are additional other tools, other options within this, in symmetry, mirroring, but you got translation, snowflake, and copy translate, and copy translate at intervals, whatever they do. Hope that helps. Oh, and one final thing, if you do need to move the guideline just a little bit for whatever reason, just press the move button in your tool options and then click and drag. And if you just want it reset or back to its original position, just press the reset button.